Y'all have got to do it yourself. Hey guys, if you walk to my channel, go back my channel, my AKs and for stars, friends, go back my channel. This is a spring break collective vlog. Spring break collective vlog. Start out my glasses, y'all. Because I didn't see everything. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rapper, baby Bobby. Rather get the pay and get it over. So y'all, if y'all didn't know, you have to be 60. In Florida, you have to be 60. Well, you have to be 16 or you could drive with somebody, drive alone. Since I'm about 16 yet, I could drive with my mom, so this is just still a credit to my mom. Everybody trapping, we get lost. Can't focus, yeah, we ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out for motion. My sister sweet, keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta slow. Around with Trace, LVO. Got some gas and I was, got no gas and no when you like to pray, we put like Sunday service. Y'all see how the car?
What are you yapping about?
When you still turn your city up. But you're gonna wait back, you're gonna wait till us my city, you're gonna wait till my city. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so I had 67 at that moment, but now we got 104. And y'all know me, I barely post. I post every 2 to 3 months. I was like, new content kinda, but I ain't even started working on new content for real. So y'all listen with this content. I can't wait to show y'all my new content. Okay? I can't wait to share my new content. Y'all know I'm on this dead clip, so I was yapping about nothing for real. Like I was not yapping about nothing. I might put me in some picture, bro. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent 500 racks on the level and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the flow. Barely flipping on. Y'all, so my little audio got messed up, but basically I was trying to say, like, y'all mess with this content. Wait till y'all see the new content. You get what I'm saying? Mess with this content. Wait till y'all see my new content. Which I have still not made or tried to. Well, I have my cleaning stage, but like, I have not made the official yet, so. But basically, y'all go love the new content. I'm about to break my new video idea. I guess I'm making this idea for the longest. It's so much I have to do right. I watched this new series. It took me a minute to watch it. It called Miggy and Deli. This show is one of the most hated shows ever. But the end of the show, like, I really don't need to see 2, but I want to see 2. So I'm putting y'all out. If y'all like anime stuff, like y'all know me, y'all YouTube shorts, they been telling me to watch because y'all have not been on my phone like mostly all day. That's crazy. And I'm putting like a little trailer in here for y'all.
This anime is about twin orphans who can't be separated, even if only one is adopted. When these wealthy married seniors arrive to the orphanage, they weren't expecting to find the perfect little angel, and adopting him right then and there. They bring him home to fulfill their family dream, but little do they know that one twin snuck in the other, and that Hitori the orphan is being played by the scheming twins known as Miggy and Dali. Unbeknownst to this married couple, these twins have every intention of using all their resources. Will you be watching Miggy and Dali?
When y'all start watching this show for real, I'm like, y'all be looking like, huh? Wait. And the show just get wilder and wilder. Like, I'm letting y'all know, putting y'all on. Watch the show. And y'all, if y'all think no spoilers, I'll tell you, that's not even the most interesting part about the show. When you talked about that video, it was not even the most interesting part about the show. Tell me what I was shooting at my grandma's house. I'm shrinking. I went to bed 1, woke up at 6. I went to bed 1, woke up at 6 to get my brother. W brother. Hey, I ain't going no today, y'all. It's crazy, ain't it? Y'all, Gapper like, Sammy, how did you get sick the day you came back from your spring break? How did you get sick? Y'all, everybody in my grandma's household with me right now. I know. Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks, so yeah, I'm high. But everybody in my grandma's house kind of sick. Kind of got sick, like kind of got a stomach virus. So everybody in my grandma's kind of got a stomach virus. So Right now, I'm just chilling though. Right now, you know, I handle business today, so I'm posting. I don't know. But yeah, hold on, y'all. I'm about to put some clips in from the date.
I had to stand too close to the city. You acting too vulnerable, living this life. I still move your way from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one? You're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two. You barely made the second.
But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.